And CC9, that's the courtroom itself. You know what? And I didn't turn on my computer in the courtroom in case somebody wants to confer, but I can always run real quick.
Oh, are you at the courthouse?
I am today.
Oh. Did you make it okay for your doctor's appointment?
Yes, thank you so much.
Well, I'm glad that worked out.
Okay, who is our bailiff today?
Is it Vincent still?
That would be Mr. Stack, Deputy Stack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So I guess we're ready. We are now live on YouTube. I'll just bring everyone in, right?
Yeah. And while they're all setting up, I'm going to run to the courtroom and unmute that to CC9
Okay.
for people.
I got myself a cup of coffee and I'm going to go get it. I'll be right back.
All here?
Okay, ready when you are.
Okay, let me admit
Everyone.
You know what, Judge, are the,
Say that again?
no, I just wanted to make sure everybody was co-host. Thank you.
Okay.
looks like everybody.
Everybody's in. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court 9. We are trying to make our docket more efficient, so I'm going to call each attorney in the order in which they have appeared. And then if you need to confer, you'll get a breakout room. When you are done conferring and come back, please raise that little hand icon so I can see you right away and just see your videos that I have in front of me. and I will take your announcement so you don't have to stay any longer than necessary. I know you have to move on to other courts, so I think that's probably the most important announcement I wanted to make. And anyone that comes in late, I will get to you, but you do not need to raise your little hand icon. I will be calling on the attorneys only, and I'm going to ask the attorney to let me know if their clients are present in court. If they cannot see their clients, then I will ask the participants to please say something. All right. All right, let's get started. We're going to go with Renee Munoz first. And can you all hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. All right.
Yes, we can hear
All
you
right,
perfectly.
Mr. Munoz.
Hi, Judge. Good to see you. Good morning.
Good
I do have
morning.
3 clients on today's docket, Judge. The first one is Jesse Acosta on page number 1, 623753.
Okay,
And he is present, Your Honor.
great.
We do have a plea, but my clients, the court notified me they'll be taking their pleas at 1:30. My client has to work during that time, so we wanted to see if we can get a different date to plea so he can request off for that date.
Yes. Today's Wednesday, right? We will have a plea docket tomorrow and then Monday through Thursday at 1:30. So you can just pick any date you want and just reach out to Aleda so she'll know that we need to expect you, okay?
All right, sure thing, Judge. I'll follow up with the later after today's docket. I'm actually present in the County Court 9 little conference room right now.
Oh, okay.
So that sounds good on that one, Judge. I also have on that same page, Alyssa Zamora, just right above Mr. Acosta.
Okay.
And with her, Judge, I need to confer with the state. I don't believe she's on. I looked for her name, but I usually have good contact for her. And I do know that she had a recent death in the family, Judge. So if I can just be allowed to give her a call.
Okay. If you want, I won't require her to appear. I'll just reset her to April 11.
Okay.
And then you can confer on her case anyway, okay?
Oh, perfect, Judge. And then I do have just one more on page number 6. Ronald Gomez, 674-743 and 744.
Okay. And is he present?
He's present in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay.
He's a homeless individual with no good technology, so he did come in, and I just need to confer on that case with the state.
Okay. All right. All right. So did you want to confer on that also?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, that's what you just said, right? I didn't hear everything you said.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
Judge. A little muffled. If I can please confer.
Okay. Yes, sir. So you should be getting a breakout room any minute so that you can confer on the cases that you need to.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I'm joining now. I appreciate Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Ashley Morgan.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Miss Morgan?
I'm doing well, thank you. I have 2 on your docket.
Okay.
The first is Mr. Rojas. He is present. It's cause number 676-294
Okay.
and 676-295.
Okay.
He also has a pending felony from the same date, and I'm working with the felony prosecutor. This case, we got his blood back yesterday, so we've also filed the agreed blood discovery order. So we're requesting a 60-day reset on him.
Yeah, let's come back May 10. Will that work for you?
Yes, ma'am, that sounds
Okay.
good. And then I also have Miss Jasmine Clay. She also has 2 DWIs. The first is 677-538
Okay.
and 660-384.
Okay.
She is attempting to log on, but she's having technical difficulties.
Okay. I'll mark her present. Okay.
We are gonna do a DWI court referral on her.
Oh, okay.
So can we do a 60-day reset on her as well?
All right. May 10.
Thank you, Judge. May be excused.
Yes. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jeffrey Martinez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here
Good
on
morning.
an inmate. She's a Lucreta Robinson, a 678-686. I apologize. I didn't get the page number. I did write down.
That's
her
okay. And I have enough with her name. Now, what was her first name?
It's a Lucreta Lucretia.
Okay, thank you.
She is an inmate, Your Honor. We've received an offer. If I may confer with her this morning. We went to jail court previously. She didn't accept it. So if we could come back and give the court an update on that status.
Okay, so then you want to just get a reset on that for now?
Yes, Your Honor. And if I could get a reset and if I maybe put it to confer with her and be excused from there.
Okay, I will mark you conferring with her, and then I'm going to give you a reset date of April 12th. Okay, so after you confer with her in the breakout room, you can both leave Zoom, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez. Regina Tips?
Yes, Judge. This is on Vu Lam, and it's on page number 4. He has 2 cases, 659, 543, and 542. We were here previously. He does want to do a plea. However, he felt uncomfortable doing that without an interpreter. I was in the hospital the last couple of weeks, so I wasn't able to get that set up. So if we could do just a short reset so that I can have the interpreter present.
Right. That's not a problem. We'll give you April 11. Obviously, you, as soon as you are ready to do that plea, we have the interpreter and so forth. You can just come in any day between Monday and Thursday at 1:30. Okay,
Perfect.
but you will need to give Aleda a heads up so we may pull up that paperwork, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And my client is here. May we both be excused.
Yes, you all have a good day. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
Thank you.
Michael Goins.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm
Morning.
here on Norma Alonso, page 4, the next to the last line.
Okay. And is she here?
I do not see her on the screen, Judge, but I've had good contact with her. We
Okay.
have been accepted in the PTD program, and we're in the process trying to get all the signatures done right now.
Okay, so then you just want to reset. How about April 12th?
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
Okay. If you, and you don't have anything else?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
All right, so you and Miss Alonso are excused and can log off. Have a great day, Mr. Goins.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. So I have to admit to everyone that my audio, I can't hear you all very well. And it's not coming from my laptop. It seems to be coming from my other screen. So if I ask you to repeat yourself, it's that my reception over here is not very good. So Elizabeth Russell.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I am here on Sergio Sadransky Meza. The cause
Okay.
number is, I never seem to be ready for you whenever you're ready for me.
It's all right.
674629.
Okay.
And we do need to confer.
Okay. And Mr. Mesa is here?
I think he is, Judge. He called my office at like around 10 o'clock to
Okay.
say that he was logging on. Oh, yep. I see him. He has a blue shirt on, waving his hand.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, Mr. Mesa, I have marked you present. Thank you, sir. All right, you'll be getting a breakout room any second, Miss Russell, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Arnulfo Ortiz?
Your Honor, I am present. I'm going to need to confer regarding Joe Richard Naranjo. I need a persecutor.
Okay, Joe Richard Naranjo, is he here?
I see him on the screen, Your Honor. Yes, he is. He's
Perfect.
in my office on another computer.
Okay, I have marked him present. You will get a breakout room any moment, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. John Winter?
Good morning, Judge. Yeah, so
Morning.
I'm here on a case that's not on your docket. I filed a motion to modify conditions of bond on Gabriel Diaz. I was wondering if I could approach you if you had a little bit of time for that today. And I guess I'd like to talk with your prosecutor too. Maybe we could come to an agreement on it.
All right, so I'll go ahead. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll go ahead and mark you conferring. You'll get a, and is your client here?
He's not, but he can be here. I can send him the information to log in this
Okay.
morning if he needs to.
And so what is his name?
Gabriel Diaz, and the
Oh,
case
okay.
and the case number is 667527.
Okay, great. All right, so I'll mark you conferring, and I'm starting to do these approach matters at 1:30 every day, except Friday, okay? So after you, I'm going to give you a reset date for that, just to be on the safe side, even though you already have a reset date, don't you? Because it's not on today's docket.
I'm sure there's a setting. Yeah, it's not on
Yeah.
today's docket, so I'm sure there's a setting.
Okay, so you can go ahead and leave from the breakout room, and we'll see you at 1:30, okay?
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Ramiro Estrada. Ramiro Estrada. Okay, I'll come back in a minute. John Roberson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Christina Martinez. She's present
All
online.
right,
She's at the very bottom of page 4.
okay, great.
62115. We have 2 felonies pending in the 175th and do not have court dates on them yet.
Okay, so and you're the attorney on the felonies?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me reset that to May 10th. Will that work for you?
That'll work.
Okay, great. Do you have anything else, Mr. Roberson?
That's it for this morning.
Okay, well, you have a wonderful day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Weston Eisman?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here
Morning.
for Miss Olivia Oliver. And let me get that case number for you. That is
Okay.
673791.
Okay,
And I need to confer with the state on this.
all right. And do you see Miss Oliver here by any chance?
I believe she should be here. Miss Oliver, if you're here, if you could just say hi to the court really quick.
Yeah, please. Oh, I see Olive 5. All right, thank you.
Oh,
I'm
there
marking
she
you
is. Yep,
present.
she's waving. We're good.
Thank you. Okay, I'll mark you conferring, Mr. Eisman.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Kelly Green? Okay, I'll come back to.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I have 2 cases. The first one's on page 5, Guillermo Gomez, 665559 and 560.
Okay,
Unfortunately, he's picked up a new case. It's a felony. It's too new for the state to make an offer, so we would need a reset on him, please.
okay. All right, you're the attorney on the felony, right?
No, ma'am. I've been retained on his misdemeanors, and the family is trying to retain me on the felony.
Okay. Oh, so there's no other attorney on the felony. I'll just reset that to May 10.
All right. And my second case is on the bottom of page 5, the top of page 6, Joe Gonzalez, 670673. And I've conferred with the state. They've made an offer and my client has accepted. We will just need a date for a plea.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to reset that to April 11, but you may reach out to Aleda as soon as you have that plea paperwork done. And we are doing our pleas at 1:30 every day, Monday through Thursday.
All right.
Okay. So Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Gomez are both here?
Joe Gonzalez is online, Your Honor, and
Okay.
Mr. Gomez is in custody.
Okay, all right. Just need to make my note. All right, so that takes care of it for you today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, thank you, Ms. Green, and you and Mr. Gonzalez can log off. Y'all have a great day.
You do the same. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your
Judge,
Honor.
may I approach?
Ramiro Estrada.
Sorry.
Ramiro Estrada, I saw him a second ago. Well, he disappeared. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Clint Glennie would be next.
Your Honor, I have Eric Brown. He's on page 2. His cause number is 633499.
633499. And is Mr. Brown here?
Yeah, he's in my office, Judge. Say hello to the judge.
All right. I mark him present, Mr. Glennie. Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor.
What would you like to do?
Judge, we have plea papers that we have just completed. They just were sent to me this 2 days ago.
Okay.
So I just need to get those back to your clerk, and we just need to do his plea. I heard you say earlier that you're doing pleas at 1:30 in the afternoon.
Correct. You want to show up for that?
Well, I can't do it today at 1:30, but I could do Monday at 1:30. If I heard you
Okay.
say Monday through Thursday.
Right, that's correct. And so I'm going to give you a reset date of April 11 just to as a backup. But obviously, if you do your plea on Monday, that's going to fall off our docket.
Okay. He's going to have to check with his employer, Judge, but we're going to try to do the plea one day next week, Monday through Thursday at 1:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
and-
April 11th is our reset date.
Right.
All right. Thank you very much, Judge. May we be excused.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. And Mr. Brown can log off. Okay. All
Your
right.
Honor.
So let me see. Ramiro Estrada, I think you popped back in a minute ago. Are you here still? No. Okay. Everybody's busy. So let me move on to the next person. Rick Ramos.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, Judge. I have Mr. Edward. I'm good, Judge. I'm here in the 227th and my internet is going in and out here in the courthouse. But I have Eduardo Rodriguez on the docket.
Okay.
We had filed, I believe we had a visiting judge about 2 weeks ago with Judge Angelini, and he had asked me to file a motion for speedy trial, which is what I believe is set for today, Your Honor, due to us missing some discovery. So I'm not sure how the court wants to take that up, if we want to run this with trial or take it up beforehand.
Well, normally I would say it's not a problem. I'm going to be doing pleas, so we probably won't get to you till about 2:30. I don't know if that will work with your schedule.
I can log back on at 2:30, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to wait for you at 2:30, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. May myself and my client be excused until that time?
Yes, sir. You have a
Thank you.
good afternoon. We'll see you later. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Elizabeth Russell, you had a chance to confer?
I did, Judge. The state is going to review the case and email us an offer. If we can have a 30-day reset so that once we receive the offer, I can reach out to my client and we can discuss what we need to do moving forward.
All right.
I just emailed the state about one discovery issue concerning a body cam. So we do have that issue outstanding as well.
Okay. But you also need to send him. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. That's perfect. So I'm going to reset you for April 11. Does that work for you?
That does, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. So Mr. Mesa is welcome to log off. And you have a great afternoon, Ms. Russell.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Rene Munoz, you had a chance to confer?
I did, yes, Your Honor. With regard to Ronald Gomez's cases, the state just tendered 2 dismissals to the court, Your Honor. So they should be in your inbox, Judge.
Okay. I tell you what, I am going to do a backup just to be sure that those get done. Sometimes things get lost in my inbox or in cyberspace.
Yes,
So I'm going to say April 12th. Obviously, as soon as those get signed, then it'll just drop off the docket. Okay.
Yes, Judge. No, not a problem. And then also on my other case, Alyssa Zamora, Mr. King stated that he was going to review the case and send me a reasonable offer. So he stated he should be having that within the week, Judge, to so I can relate.
So let me make those both for April 11.
Okay.
That way you'll have 2 matters you can address on that day. Okay.
Sounds like a plan, Judge. I appreciate that. May I be excused for today?
Yes, sir. Your clients can log off. You have a great day. Thank you.
You as well. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Ramiro Estrada.
Mr. Estrada's,
Internet is apparently giving problems. I just saw him 2 seconds ago. Ramiro Estrada. Okay, well. All right. Arnulfo Ortiz, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, I did. And we've agreed to ask the court for a 30-day reset, or I've agreed his 30-day reset request is reasonable.
Okay, so how about April 12? Would that work?
I believe it's a good date, Your Honor. We'll be back on that day.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Ortiz.
Thank you, Your
So
Honor.
Mr. Naranjo can log off too, and you have a great day, sir.
Thank
All right, so let me see. John Gomez.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here for Samantha Divas, page 6675475. I could confer with the state.
Okay, is she here, sir?
She is, Your Honor.
Okay, I see that. Okay, Divas, all right. I'll mark you conferring. You'll be getting a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Jesse Sanchez?
Yes, Judge, I have on page 2, Amber Robinson.
Okay.
And in page 3, I have a latest Douglas, if I can confer, and they're both present.
Thank you very much. I'll mark them both present. Yes, sir, I'll mark you conferring. You'll be getting a breakout room any second, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Angela Blake?
Morning, Judge. I've got 2 people on the docket. If I could talk to the state.
All right, and who are your 2 people?
Casey Gonzalez. Cause number is 659239.
Okay, and the other one?
It is Darian Todd, and that cause number is 660956. I do see Mr. Todd online, but I don't see the name of Casey Gonzalez.
Casey Gonzalez, are you here under another name? Casey Gonzalez? Okay.
And I'll reach out to them.
Will you please? Thank you. You wanted to confer on both of those?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you. All right, so who am I going to call next? Dylan George.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Eric Barnes. He's on page 5, 665-688.
Okay. Mr. Barnes, are you here?
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Barnes is in, I think, Ocean County, in custody. And
New Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay, so he's in custody. I do have some telephone numbers for the jail I can give to Mr. Dillon.
So you want us to try and bring him in, Mr. Dillon? Mr. George?
Mr. George.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In the meantime, did you want to confer on this?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll mark you conferring, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ramiro Estrada, let's try again. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Okay, Mr. Estrada.
Good morning. Can you hear me? I know it's frustrating. We're all in the same boat. Are you talking? Because I cannot hear you at all. You cannot hear me either, I think. Okay, we'll try again. And I see, yeah. You can hear me though?
Judge, are you speaking with me?
No, I'm talking to Mr. Ramiro Estrada. He's been trying to get in and has not been successful. I see him popping in and out, but now I cannot hear him. I don't know if he can hear me. I'll come back in a few minutes to Mr. Estrada. Alberto Acevedo.
Judge, I have David Dominguez, cause number 658253. And on this one, Judge, we're still awaiting the breath discovery.
Okay.
So if we can get a reset on this.
Okay. And you already conferred with the state, right?
I haven't conferred today, Judge, but
Oh,
we're
no.
still awaiting that discovery.
Okay. Right. The only concern I have is sometimes you'll get faster action if you actually tell them. But that was my point. You've already talked to them about this, right?
I can email them. I haven't spoke with them today, but they are aware.
Okay. Let me reset you then for April the 12th. Will that work?
That works, Judge.
Okay. So is Mr. Dominguez here?
He should be, Your Honor.
David Dominguez, are you here, sir? Yeah, I see him on my list of participants. Okay, so Mr. Dominguez can log off at this time. And Mr. Acevedo, have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
Thank you. Let me see, Ramiro Estrada, can you say something? Maybe I can hear you. I think every time he tries to say something, it drops him. I don't know. Aleida, is there anything we can do to help Mr. Estrada? I don't have any idea how to.
You know, the only thing, maybe his volume is all the way down on his either phone
Yeah,
or laptop. Maybe that's why he can't hear us.
yeah.
I did send him a chat.
Oh, did you? Good.
Yeah,
Okay.
I did.
Okay. Because at least if we can communicate by chat, we'll have some communication,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
Kelly Fernandez, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Judge. How are you? I'm good.
I'm sorry I didn't recognize you right away, so I'm just now calling on you. You're here on what case?
We have two, Your Honor. The first one is Graciela Rodriguez, 625116. For this one, I guess I just need to confer with the state and see if our obstruction plea is still on the table.
Okay.
And then the other one is Mark Arellano, 651607. On this one, we're still missing some important discovery, so I need to speak to the state about that.
All right. So I did see Mr. Arellano was here. Do you know if Ms. Rodriguez is here?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, I see her. Okay, I'll mark her present also. And you want to confer on Ms. Rodriguez, correct?
On both of them, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. All right. You'll be getting a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Weston Iceman, did you have a chance to confer, sir? Weston Iceman? Okay. Mr. Estrada, did you get the volume up on your audio? Did that help? John Gomez, you had a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with Jeff. He's made us some offers that I need to go over with my client. If I could get a reset to give us time to go through that.
All right. How about April 11? Will that work?
That should work in the meantime, Your Honor.
All right. So Ms. Divas is excused and can log off. You have a great day, Mr. Gomez.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Samantha, I'll be giving you a call.
So Mr. Estrada, if you get some audio, you're welcome to pop in because I cannot hear you right now.
Mr. Estrada? Can you hear me? Can you acknowledge?
Looks like you can hear me. It looks like you're frozen now. Okay.
Your Honor, if I may.
Say that again, Aleda.
Your Honor, I have Mr. Estrada on my speakerphone. He is having issues with his, I guess, volume
Yes.
or his phone, so. But I've got him on speaker for you.
Somebody else came in while you were talking. So what was the suggestion?
That I have Mr. Estrada on speaker on my phone since he was having, I guess, technical sound problems with his phone.
Right. So I can talk to him from here through your speaker?
Can you hear him? Can you hear the judge?
Yes, I can, yes, barely, but I can't hear her.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Estrada, so you.
Can I do this? We're going to enter, he's got, Jaime Saldaña, he's got 2 cases, and I've got a plea of agreement with the state. But can I get this recalled, like say maybe for Friday or something like that, and then in the meantime, get paperwork into you, and that will give me some time to work on my issue with my sound problem too.
Okay, so I heard just about every other word, but I think I heard you say something about a plea.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
yeah.
I'm going to give you a reset to April 12, but when you have that plea paperwork done and ready to go, you can just talk to Aleda and come on in the same day at 1:30. That's every day from Monday through Thursday. Okay? Does that work for you?
Okay, and all right, April 12th, and then I'll be in touch with you after today or later today.
All right. Okay, just coordinate with Aleda and we'll go ahead and take care of that plea, okay?
Your Honor, if they can be excused.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
thank you.
Okay, so is Mr. Galvan here?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Galvan, we had obviously technical problems. So you are excused, sir. Just stay in touch with your lawyer. And I think he's going to be coordinating with the coordinator about getting your plea done, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Mark you present. You have a good day.
You too.
Oh, Ms. Blake, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, Judge. Darian Todd was here present earlier. I'm not sure where he is now. I do. And then Ms. Gonzalez is joining right now. I just talked to her and gave her the Zoom ID.
Okay, great. Okay, I'll mark them
There she
both
is.
present.
Okay, I see
good.
Casey's iPhone. I think that's Casey.
Okay. All right.
And so I've worked out an agreement with the state on definitely on Casey's, but I believe on the other one as well. If I could have a 45 to 60 day reset on both of them, we should be able to resolve them before coming back.
Okay, let me see what I can give you. 45 would be April 26. Will that work for you?
Yeah, we'll start. We'll go for that.
On both of those, yes.
Yes, please.
All right. Well, thank you. And then so Mr. Todd and Ms. Gonzalez or Mr. Gonzalez are excused and can log off. You have a great day, Ms. Blake.
Thanks, Judge. You too.
Thank you. All right. Mr. King, good morning. How are you doing? Stacy Krause?
Hi, Judge. I'm here for Stacy. Kelly Fernandez.
Okay, Ms. Krause, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, Judge. Kelly is representing me today. She's my law clerk.
Oh, okay.
I did confer with the state, though, Judge, if you're ready for my announcement.
I am.
Okay, so on Graciela Rodriguez, 625116.
Yes.
The state was unaware of the deal that we had previously discussed. So
Mhm.
they needed to discuss it with Brett and see what the initial deal was, and they were going to get back to us about it.
Okay. Okay.
And then on Mark Ariano, 651607, we have been requesting 2 important pieces of discovery since probably about August, and they still do not have it. And so I was told that they would put in a request for it.
Okay. And the last part, and after you did not get the discovery that's missing, what did you say?
They're going to put in a request for it.
Okay. All right. Hopefully that'll work. Okay.
Hopefully, Judge.
All right. So let's reset. I'm going to reset everything to April 12th. Obviously on the plea, if you have that ready before that, you're welcome to come in at 1:30 Monday through Thursday, and we can get that done. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge. May me and the clients be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, Mr. Sanchez, good morning. How are you doing?
Yes, good morning, Judge. I conferred on both cases on Lightus Douglas and Amber Robinson. The
Okay.
state wants to review all the discovery, and then they'll send me an offer.
Okay.
So we could get at least a 30-day reset to give them plenty of time.
Okay. How about April 12th for both?
Yes, Judge, that will be okay.
Okay. All right, Mr. Sanchez. So both your clients, Ms. Robinson and Mr. Douglas, are excused and can log off at this time. Lightus Douglas, you're welcome to log off. I had not seen your video till just this second. So you all are have a great afternoon, Mr. Sanchez. Take care.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to
Take care.
see you.
Always good to see you, Judge.
Bye-bye. Okay. Oh, Ms. Calderola, good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. I had live court today, so I just came back to my office to do this. Just, I wasn't quite sure how to proceed. I couldn't access the internet well over there on my machine. So I just
know.
went back here. I
It's
have to
getting
figure out how
harder.
it works. Yeah, I
And-
have to figure, how that works. Anyway, I have 2 cases in your court this morning, and both of them are, I believe, are fugitives. I haven't spoken with Megan Wilhite on page 1.
Okay.
She's like the 5th from the bottom. And I haven't spoken with Olivia Ortega, and she was a pretrial diversion offer. And I sent her the paperwork, and I never heard from her. So I don't know what happened, but I just have not been able to reach her by email or by phone.
Yeah. Well, on Ms. Wilhite, this is probably the second or third time you've appeared for her, and she has not appeared. Is that right?
That's correct, Your Honor. She's been a fugitive every time.
So we're going to have to do a bond forfeiture. And then on Lydia Ortega, I'll just reset that in case there's been something happen in her life that prevented her from staying in touch.
Okay, and I hope to hear from her, but I can't, I have her email, and that's the only way I can reach her. But thank you.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we'll reset Ms. Ortega to April 12th.
Let me put that on my calendar.
Yeah. Okay. It's always good to see you, Ms. Calderola.
Good to see you too, Judge.
You have a great day. Thank you.
too. Thank you.
Okay. Let me see. Ryan Boyer, haven't seen you in a long time. How are you doing?
Doing well. I'm with the public defenders over in Atascosa County.
Oh, okay. Well, congratulations.
Trying to wrap up a couple things.
Who are you here on today?
Tony Moreno.
I'm sorry, tell me that again.
Tony Moreno.
Carmen Moreno?
Tony.
Tony Moreno, okay.
And
Do you have a cause number on him?
1 second.
My audio is bad, and so I barely can hear.
Page 2, 636870.
Got it. And is Mr. Moreno here?
He's in contact with me. I'm trying to get him on. We're trying to plea this, but I can't remember what the plea was.
Okay, do you want to confer with the state and get an update?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll mark you conferring. All right, and if you have a chance, will you call Mr. Moreno so he can just pop in and I can mark him present?
I'll just call him right now so he can
Okay, great.
hopefully be on. All right, Tony?
Yeah, what's up?
Okay, so I'm currently on Zoom with the court. Just say your name for the judge.
Oh, no. I need him actually to come in.
We're working on that. Okay.
Okay. So you'll get a breakout room, Mr. Boyer. There you go. All right. CC Robinson, CC9 Robinson, can you unmute yourself, please? I have the feeling that your attorney is here, maybe conferring. What is the name of your attorney?
Jeffrey Martinez.
Jeffrey Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he did confer, and I reset your matter to April the 12th. So if you will just give him a call, he can give you an update on the status of your case. I think that he was trying to work something out, but you need to call him and see what the status is, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So at this time, you're free to log off, ma'am. And I know you've got other things that probably you can be addressing your attention to at this time, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye. All right. Mr. Andrade, good morning. How are you?
Judge, good morning. How are you?
Good. Thank you, sir. I'm going to mark you down as present. You are Mr. Miguel Andrade and your attorney is Miguel Nájera. Okay. And unfortunately, these days, everybody is so busy. So Mr. Nájera is in another court, but we're happy to wait for him. I'm going to give you an option. You're welcome to wait for him. I think it's part of your due process to see what's going on. But if you need to go, I can excuse you. So you tell me what you want to do.
I'll wait for him. He might just be, running a little busy. And I haven't heard from him, so I'll just wait.
Absolutely. Yeah, this is always a good opportunity to talk to him because they're just running from court to court and sometimes they get overwhelmed by phone calls. So this is an opportunity that I think you're wise to take advantage of. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. George, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's going to make an offer in the next, as I said, 24 hours.
All right. So we're just going to reset your matter at this time. Let me see. Here we go. On Eric Barnes, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And how about if we reset it to April 11? Will that work for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. George.
Thank you, Judge.
You have a great day. Take care.
Thank you.
Which one do we have in the courtroom?
I'm sorry, I cannot hear what somebody just said.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. It was the deputy coming into my office.
Oh, okay. All right. Mr. Gerardo Morales, can you unmute yourself, please?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Video. Turn on your video, sir, please.
Good morning.
And your attorney, is that Ernest Acevedo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I have the feeling that he already came in. Let me just check my notes real fast. Oh, no, it was actually Alberto Acevedo that was here. Okay. Yeah, so we're waiting for Mr. Acevedo. So if you don't mind waiting, we'll just go ahead and you can just mute yourself and stay present, okay? Thank you, sir.
If I could be put in a room with Tony Moreno.
I'm sorry, I'll be right there. Okay, Mr. Boyer, did you want, were you asking for something?
If I could be put in a room with defendant Tony Moreno.
Oh, yes, sir, absolutely. You'll get a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss Corley. How are you this morning?
Good morning. I apologize for being late, Judge. I was in doing a plea in the 290th this morning. But I
We
do
understand.
have a plea agreement for Miguel Andrade, 650064.
6504.
I just need the plea. I don't have the plea paperwork yet.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to ask you to send an email to whichever prosecutor you talk to. And in that email, be sure and put your client's email address. They should turn around and send that back to you so that you all can get the plea paperwork completed, okay?
Okay, I did send that earlier to both the coordinator and prosecutor. I'll redo it again.
Yeah.
And I'll get it to them right now.
Yeah, you might
That was
just
Jeff
mention,
King. Is he still in your court?
who's that?
Jeff King, is he still a
Yes.
prosecutor here?
Yeah,
Okay.
he is. Yeah.
Very good.
And they are working really fast and furious. So they may not have had a chance to send it back. But if you tell them that you want to do that plea ASAP, they
Okay.
can take a moment. Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm doing that right now, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Oh, Mr. Eisman, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. So I'm ready to make an announcement on my case for Miss Olivia Oliver. And that
okay.
case number is, 673-791.
Okay. I know I have called on you earlier. Here we go.
I
All right,
apologize,
and-
Judge. I had to handle an MTR in County Court 6.
Oh, okay. So you still need to confer?
Actually, I was able to confer, so
Oh,
I'm
okay.
ready to make an announcement. It's actually a pretty quick one. I'm gonna get a plea offer emailed to me by the district attorney today or tomorrow,
Okay.
and it'll give him time to review the case, and then we can I can have a more fruitful discussion.
All right. So we're going to reset that to April 11, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Judge. I think I have other cases that day too. It's perfect.
Great. Good deal. Okay.
And may
well,
me and
you
my
have-
client be excused? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. Ms. Oliver is welcome to log off at this time. Thank you. You'll have
Thank
a
you,
great
Judge.
day.
You have a good one.
You too. Mr. Boyer, did you have a chance to confer with Mr. Moreno, right?
Yes, Judge. If if Mr. Moreno and I could be put in a room with Jeffrey.
Oh, okay. Well, that's unusual, but you're welcome to do it that way. So, Ms. Castillo will give you a breakout room and with you and Mr. Moreno. And then you all will get to see Mr. King as soon as he gets on from the last one, okay?
He just wants to talk to the prosecutor quickly.
Okay. All right, so at this time, Ms. Corley, did you get a chance to get your email off to Mr. King?
Yes, I did. It
All right.
already went.
I'm Ms.
So-
Corley.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
If
sir.
I may. The paperwork's been done since February 28th, and I sent you a reminder.
Oh,
So you should
perfect.
have it.
Okay, terrific. Judge, can I go into a breakout room with my client with, if you can have the ability to share screen so we can complete that?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
You'll get that breakout room in just a second, okay? Thank you. Okay. morning, Mr. Sherman. How are you today?
Good morning. I've been in district courts this morning. I apologize for being late.
It's not a problem. I understand everybody's busy. Who are you here on today?
I'm here on, excuse me. We're on Sonia Ariza and Alan Huron. Mr. Huron was here. Yeah, here he is.
Right.
Sonia
And
Ariza is here.
okay, and so Mr. Udon is here, Alan Udon, okay. And what would you like to do on their cases today?
Well, my last communication with Ms. Ariza was that she wants a jury trial.
Okay. That will be, the new date will be April 25.
All right, Judge, I'll put that down.
Okay, and Mr. Huron is here, I saw that. Did you want to confer on his case?
Yes, we'll confer on, and on Ms. Ariza, it's 412.
425.
I'm sorry, 425. Okay. And is that jury selection?
Yes, that's when we would pick a jury.
All right, very good. Is she excused for now?
Yes, Ms. Ariza is welcome to log off. Thank you, ma'am. You have a good day. Okay.
And then I'll visit whenever they get a chance.
Okay, I marked you conferring. So you should be getting a breakout room any second. Mr. Boyer, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, Judge. The state is going to be looking into some witness statements for a possible dismissal.
Okay.
I guess if we could get a reset on that.
All right. Let's reset that for April 11, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So Mr. Moreno can log off at this time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Mr. Boyer, you have a great rest of your day. That's all you had today, right? On
Yes,
our
ma'am.
docket. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Take care. Good to see you.
Yes, you too.
All right. Mr. Cox,
Yes, Judge.
how are you today?
Okay, I'm doing fine, Judge. I have Mr. Watkins, Durbin Watkins.
He is
in-
present.
Yes, ma'am. And it's the only issue is an issue of restitution, and we're trying to pay restitution. So we're just asking the court, Judge, if the court can. I believe he's making payments, so we just need a little more time.
All right.
Judge,
Let's see. How about if I reset it to April 26th? Will that work?
That'll work, Judge.
Okay. That
All
takes
right.
care of Mr. Watkins. All right.
Okay.
Mr.
Thank you very
Watkins, you
much,
can
Judge.
log off, sir, at this time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And who else did you have, Mr. Cox?
I think that was the only person, Judge.
Oh, okay. Well, it's good
Okay.
to see you. You have a great day.
Okay. You too, Judge.
All right. Mr. Torres, Efrain Torres. Can you unmute yourself, please, Mr. Torres?
Hey, Judge, I was right outside your courtroom.
Oh.
I have a Luis Tovar, Judge. Is a conditional dismissal. All she needs to give me is the community service hours, Judge. I've tried to contact her this morning. I've not been able to. I think I can contact her by tomorrow, and that should resolve the issue.
Okay, so I'm just going to reset you to April 11. And as soon as you get to talk to the state and show them what's been done, I guess that will take care of it, right?
Yes, Judge. I got the money and I got the theft course. It's just community service hours.
All right. Do you need to talk to the state? Will that be helpful if you want to visit with them right now?
No, Judge. They already know.
Okay. All right.
It's just you said April what, Judge?
1/1/11.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Torres. You have a great rest of your day.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
Amber Robinson. Can you unmute yourself, please? Amber Robinson? Oh, how do you do, Miss Robinson? I believe Mr. Sanchez conferred with the state earlier on your case, and he asked for a reset, so you need to come back on April 12th, unless it gets resolved before that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a good day. Take care.
Bye-bye. Can I go in with the prosecutor? We're still missing the obstruction paperwork.
Yes, you may. you'll get a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. I'm going to take a little time to go to another screen. You will still be able to hear me and see me, but I'm going to check on some status of orders. So if you need me, you can just shout out. I'll be here. Got a problem. Okay, so I have a problem. My Adobe Sign doesn't recognize my password, so I'm going to call IT and see how I can change my password. because it's the same password I used to get into my laptop. So I'm going to step away. I'm going to turn off my video. I will leave it the audio on so that I can hear. Miss Corley, did you have a chance to confer?
I didn't. There was no one there. Was I supposed to just wait, or is he just popping through?
Let me see. Miss Sanchez, is there any way you can help Miss Corley? I know Mr. King must be with somebody else at this time. I see.
Judge, I'm working on that paperwork right now. It'll be here soon.
I
okay.
just to let you know, I do have all the court paperwork, the admonishments and all that, and we have done discovery and the video consent. I'm just looking for the obstruction packet because this is going to go to an obstruction.
Correct. I'm working on that right now.
Okay. It may have been sent to me and I just can't find it. So reminder's good enough too, but I just didn't, I don't want to make you redo anything.
It's okay. It's almost done. Probably give me about 30 more seconds and it'll be with you.
Okay, terrific. I'll go back in the breakout room with my client and look for it there. Thank you.
All right, great. Thank you.
Which breakout room is he, Andrade, in?
Let me check. I'll tell you in a second. That was in room 1, Miss Corley. Can you go back to 1?
I think I can. Thank you.
Great, thank you. Mr. Sharman, did you have a chance to confer, sir?
I did. We conferred on Mr. Huron, and it appears that the order for discovery on the blood draw has been signed and sent to DPS, but we just haven't gotten it back yet. They made an offer on the case, and before I can, make sure to offer that to Mr. Huron, that we know everything about the case.
Okay.
So
all right.
He would work to get it to us as soon as possible.
Right. So let me go ahead and give you a reset date here. If I give you April 12th, do you think that'll be enough time?
Yes.
Okay.
And we'll know a little bit more about that by then.
Okay. All right. So on Mr. Huron, we'll come back on April 12th, right?
Yes.
And then on Miss Ariza, we have a trial setting for April 25. Okay.
Ariza, yes. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Sharman. You have a great day. And Mr. Huron can log off at this time. Take care. Yeah, so I was trying to get a little head start and go and make sure that all the paperwork is ready for me to sign, but I can't even get into Adobe Sign. So I'm going to try to get that fixed right now because I need to be able to sign these things. So I'm going to mute myself. I will hear you all, but I'm going to mute myself. And because I'm going to be talking to IT. All right.
Okay, and Mr. Acevedo has appeared.
Good morning. Sorry, Judge, I've been stuck in felony court.
Oh, you're muted, Judge. Okay, she'll be with you shortly. She's probably with IT right now. I'll go back up there a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna head back up there a little bit, ma'am, but thank you for your assistance. I greatly appreciate it. All right. Bye.
Karina or Jeff?
Yes, ma'am.
I believe on this case, our original agreement was to do, that we could do half the probation term for UAs instead of ignition interlock because his blood result was so low on the alcohol.
That's part of the offer. It's either or. We were never told which direction that you wanted to go on that. It's really not that deep. We'll just correct it on the record.
Okay.
And it'll be regular UAs for half the term instead of ignition interlock.
Terrific. Thank you.
No problem.
Mr. Acevedo, did you need to confer with the state?
Yes, if I could, that'd be great.
Yes, let me put you in, sir. Mr. King or Ms. Sanchez will be there with you shortly.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Acevedo, did you finish conferring? You're muted, I think.
Yes, I'm muted. My first time doing this. I wanted to see if we can get 2 30-day resets. I'm pretty sure we'll have both cases resolved before those settings. But we have deals to resolve both of them that I think will get done before the settings if we can just get 30 days on each of them.
Okay, 30 days. The judge is giving out April 11, but of course, if the pleas are ready to go, you can come in at any time at 1:30 for Monday through Thursday, sir.
Yeah, I think they'll just be disposed of in another way, but yeah, that date's perfect.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, can I speak to both of my clients individually, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Acevedo. I was on another screen. I was having problems. I'm always having technical problems, so I have no other excuse.
Absolutely right, Judge.
You have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
Okay.
if you could put me as co-host so that I can move Mr. Acevedo.
Let me do that right now. I've got all these windows open that I really don't know why. Oh. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think you should be able to take care of that task now, Aleda.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. So I am going to go back to Adobe Sign. I finally got in. IT helped me, and so I'll be back in a bit.
Judge, we are ready on Mr. Andrade's plea when you're ready for us.
Okay, so Ms. Corley, did you just make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, just to let you know that we are ready to move forward on the plea for Mr. Andrade. The court should have the paperwork.
Yeah, actually, I was just printing out the paperwork. So we will see you at 1:30. And
Okay.
we'll try to make you number one.
Okay, is this the same link?
Sorry, say that again?
Is it the same Zoom link?
Yes, yes, it
Okay, very
is.
good. Mr. Andrade, we're going to have to come back after lunch to finish this. So just log back in at 1:30.
Got it.
Thank you,
Great.
Judge.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a good lunch.
It's a
Okay. Are we still waiting for other people, Aleda?
Okay, let me look at my docket.
Seems to me that we had some people that did not show up, but
No, I think we are good, Judge.
okay, good. So let's have lunch and then I'll see you all at 1:30, okay?
Okay, Judge, sounds good.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we're off YouTube.